Hi guys, my name is Catherine and welcome to Extreme Basics. This is a brand new series where we're going to learn how to create a 3D model. Now this is a really complicated topic, especially if you don't know that much about it. So this series is going to start off with the extreme basics, which is what even is a 3D model. A 3D model is a digital object that has 3 dimensions. A good example of a 3D model, if you've seen any animations recently, Frozen, Coco, Moana, all of these animations use 3D animation. So each character, like Moana for example, is actually a 3-dimensional character that can be rotated around. But 3D modeling isn't just for movies. A lot of new video games are 3D, a lot of car commercials use fake 3D cars instead of actual cars, and a lot of companies like architecture firms or engineers use 3D models before they go into real life creating things. So there are 2 types of modeling. There's one I like to call hard surface modeling, which is using already existing shapes like 3D cubes and spheres to create objects by stretching them and pulling out sides and stuff like that. And there's also digital sculpting, which is like using clay on the computer, and you can mold that into whatever shape you want. So that's for more organic shapes like characters, like Moana. So to create a 3D model, you have to use the computer and you have to use a program, but there's a ton of different programs out there. The most popular programs for hard surface modeling are Autodesk Maya, Blender, and Cinema 4D. The most popular program for digital sculpting right now is ZBrush. Now Blender is free, and everything else is pretty pricey, but with a student email, you can get an educational license for ZBrush and Maya. Now once you make your 3D model, there's a few different things you can do with it. You can rig it so you can have it animated, you can paint it so it has a texture on it, or you can even 3D print it and have it in real life. In this series, all we're going to be doing is making a basic 3D model. We're going to be painting it in Substance Painter, which is a program that allows you to paint and texture digital objects. And we're going to render our object, which basically means we're going to take a really nice fancy picture of it using both Maya and Substance Painter. And if you've never used any of these programs before, don't worry, this is the extreme basics. We're going to do it as simple as possible. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in continuing on with this series, make sure to hit subscribe so you can see when new videos come out. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.